A man plunged into freezing waters to save a stray dog on a brutal -10 degrees Fahrenheit day. The icy pain was unbearable, and he almost turned back, but he couldn't leave the dog to drown. With every agonizing step, he pushed forward, finally reaching the struggling animal and guiding it to shore. Shivering and exhausted, he knew one thing for sure: he couldn't leave the dog behind. That same day, he brought it home. The stray he risked his life for has a warm bed, a full stomach, and a family that loves him. A bond born in freezing waters turned into a story of hope and love.